I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship except Allah.
Siervo y su mensajero.
In just a few minutes' time, we will have the international Baiat. You can see the crowds that are gathering behind us now, making their way into the main marquee, and they are eagerly awaiting the international Baiat.
It is exactly the same feeling where the Ashab Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, when they did the Bai'ah in the time of Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam under Hijrah, and they promised themselves that they would give their life for the sake, of sacrificing their life under the Imamate of Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And by grace of Allah, today we have the Imamate of the Khalifatul Zaman, Khalifatul Masih al-Khamis, Ayadullah ibn Nasr al-Aziz.
I hope to abide by the Huzur preaching and all the people that are speaking the preaching over there, because it's giving out advice, guidance, protection.
A beautiful expression that Islam needs to show the world that Muslims are special people and they have something special to offer.
The Baiat experience itself is like one is going into a kind of spiritual recharge. One is trying to rejuvenate one's soul, and I feel almost nostalgic about it.
I'm very excited to be here. It's a warm feeling inside me, and I'm so near to Hazur, and I'm so excited. I don't know how to explain it. So yes, like my heart's beating very fast.
It feels amazing to be around so much diversity, and it just feels great to feel like we're all the same.
What I'll be thinking that from here, for the rest of this life and for the life to come, is a new beginning. A new beginning. That's what I'll be thinking, a new beginning, that's all.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah.
I felt so much, attached to the Khalifa. I felt that to put my hand behind, my other brother, and the other brother is attached to the Khalifa. I understood the word of the rope of Allah when we said وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. I felt we are all attached as under one word, the word of Khilafah.
My whole body was shaking while speaking the Baiat, and I think my neighbor also feel it, and it was so amazing. I was so close to Hazur like never before.
I felt my heart is cleaner. I felt fine. I felt I'm a changed man now.
What struck me was the fact that indeed we are blessed in this community that I'm actually pledging allegiance to the holiest personality under the sky now. This is arguably, I teach Islamic studies and Arabic, and I know that the only Islamic organization, the only Islamic movement that has only one universal leader is the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat.
It's the will of God. God doing this thing. It's a miracle. I will go back home and tell my people who got different conception about Ahmadis or even Islam to change and join us, like the way we have joined one another.
We are behind Khalifa, and we have the solution for all the Muslims' world problems.
Speak the word pretty loud. I have to, and I wanted to, and I try to get my whole voice out and say it as loud as I can.
I remember Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam when he, as I said earlier, that when he accepted the Bai'ah, it was again the same things. And I really feel so much blessed that I was part of this great unity behind the Khalifa of the Zaman.
So this is the Lions with Allah, the alliance with the Rasul, the alliance with the Rasul, the alliance with Ahmadi, the alliance with myself.
I know I will be living here with a firm resolve to be a better Ahmadi Muslim. Even when we had the prostration, I asked Allah most humbly to strengthen me spiritually and morally. Because as a human being, you know your weaknesses, you know your lapses. I know I have not done enough, but I will be living with a firm resolve to be a better Muslim, a better Ahmadi Muslim, and a better follower of the Khalifa.